Hi everyone, welcome back. In this section of the course, I'm going to teach you how to trade range in markets using this indicator that you see in front of you. It's called the Bollinger Band, and it was invented by John Bollinger to show you when price had been overbought, so you could look to short, and when price had been oversold, so you could look to buy. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a template with you. We're going to save the template with a name, and then we're going to look at this system, trading it with the most simple terms possible. And what we're going to do, once we've got all the simple terms in place and you've got your structure, we're then going to look at how to trade this alongside your support and resistance from the previous price action section. So right, what we're going to do is right click anywhere on your screen and remove all indicators and all drawing tools, because what we want to do is have a completely fresh blank canvas. So then the next thing to do is go up to the indicators section of Trading View, and we're going to just add an indicator, which is going to be the Bollinger Band. So B-O-L-L, and you can see that the Bollinger Band has come up there. Don't worry about all these variations of the Bollinger Band yet. We are literally going to be just clicking the standard one, which is the top. Right, so you can see that's loaded. So little X, get rid of that screen. There we are, we're good to go. But before we go, we just need to check the settings. You can see I've actually added two Bollinger Bands there, so I've deleted one. So here we go, we're going to check the settings. Right, the length, 20, which is the moving average through the middle. You've got the source, which is close, which means the price is set to the close of every candle. And we've got the standard deviation, which is 2, which is the complete default setting for the Bollinger Bands. So we're going to OK this, go up to name the template, and we're going to name it range. Okay, or you can call it range system if you'd like, because this system could only be traded in a ranging market, and that's a market where it's going sideways. So we're not in an uptrend, or we're not in a downtrend. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to OK this, save it, and we have got the Bollinger Band saved as a range system template, ready for part 2, where I'm going to show you exactly how to trade this. But before I go ahead, I just want to explain to you that you can use this with your support and resistance from the previous videos to really identify when a market's ranging and when you're on support or resistance. So that will give you a direction. And this can be used in any time frame. My specific favorite time frame is the 1 hour chart. I always trade this on a 1 hour, and it's because I get a lot more setups than you do on the higher time frames. Okay, so I will see you in part 2.